Hey guys, this is Noah from Tech, and I'm going to show you my Benchtop ATX power supply. So first of all, this took me a while to make because of all the organizing of the wires and soldering and everything. And everything pretty much, stuff started smoking and I had to repair a lot of things, so yeah, stressed out. But anyway, it's finally done. And let me just go ahead and show you what the top of it looks like. So what I did here was I printed out a piece of paper and put it in different color fonts. So as you can see here, it says 3.3 volts. If you can see, it's kind of yellow. It's 12 volts, 5 volts, and then ground, which is, yeah, GND. And then I just poked the wires through here, and now I'm not done with this. As you can see here, there's just the copper wires right here coming out, which I really need to somehow, I'll probably use a paper clip for currents to poke through there. But what I did this for is so I can put test leads on here and then run them through here, so I can just clip them on. And that was like the easiest thing I could do in this amount of time, and just put it in a right size amount so I can put more than one alligator clip on there, because I might need to put more than one ground or, you know, something like that on there. So I'm not going to be running a lot of things on 3.3 volts, because a lot of things like fans require 5 to 12 volts. So yeah, and let me go ahead and open it, and I'll show you the wiring and everything. So I just gotta tip it off like here. Oh, crap, okay. I should just take a look at this. Okay, put that aside. Now I'm going to put 2 screws on here so I could easily take it off here, and I'll put 4 screws on after I'm done with the video. Okay, so now this is the difficult part because everything is sticking out on the top. So what I gotta do is, I think I forget where the, right here. Okay, so I just have to move gently, push everything. Okay, push it down. Okay, there we go. And then I can just put it, there's a little tab right there where I can put it under the power slice to keep it up, and where I can customize things. That's why I made it like this, so I could just easily put it to the side, make sure I've got open space to do all my work stuff. So obviously I've got 115 volts. Any more than that will result in probably smoking and stuff that's not necessary, so I always keep it at 115 volts for a computer power supply. Now, yeah, let's go ahead and get through this. So when you first open the power supply, you're always going to see, this is with any power supply, you're going to see some kind of heat sink. Now these have holes in them, guessing for ventilation, and so the fan can suck all the dust and everything out of there. And then another heat sink, and I think this is for the, I think the module, which one is it? Let's see. I forget what it is, but I think it starts with LM. Anyway, I'll talk about that later. And then you can always, transformer. And then this is all the wiring that I did. So this is just one 3.3 volt wire, 12 volts. You can see where I hot glued it right here. Can't exactly solder it to this because it'll easily come off, and it's not any type of wiring for this case. This is ground and 5 bolts, as you can see there. Now I accidentally cut off all my 3.3 bolts, so what I did for that was my soldering iron stopped working when I was working on it, and I tried cleaning it, and I need a new one because it's really bad. So what I did there was I just hot glued it and wrapped some electrical tape around it as best as I could, and then I kind of heated it so it would stick and not come off. So yeah, you can see all the loose wires and everything over there. It's a mess. Not exactly, but it looks pretty nice. But other than that, that's pretty much it. And then you can see power, everything, all the power cables and stuff like that. And this case is by Logisys, and I'll go and show you the fan. They make really nice fans, really nice, and really cheap too. So yeah, this is a 480 watt power supply, which is enough to power, you know, a bunch of stuff. It's even good for a gaming computer, but I got bored of my desktop computer, so I decided to make this Benchtop power supply from ATX. So let me go ahead and close it, and this is complicated. Try to get a best shot on it as best I can. There we go. And then let's get it around here. Oh, here we go. Gotta get it through here. Oh, thank you. Okay, and so now it's in, I think. Oh my gosh. So freaking hard to get this through here. There it goes. Okay, finally. Okay, so now we just put the screws on there. Okay. Now, yeah, I'll put the rest of the screws on there later, but I'll probably add something right here, probably run another cable through here, because as you can see, my Raspberry Pi over there, I have a internal hard drive, and I'm going to make a adapter of my own and run the power from here, and then make a SATA to USB so I can plug it into my Raspberry Pi, and then this will power the hard drive. So yeah, it's pretty nice. So let me get my power cable. Okay. plug it through here. Nice and fit. Okay, and then, oh, and by the way, forgot to mention this. To jumpstart this, you have to have the green power cable to ground, and that will start it. Which is a good way of trying to figure out if there's something wrong with your power supply, and if it's working or not. So just wanted to mention that. I forgot to show you that, but I soldered that inside of there and put some electrical tape around it. So, and that was before my soldering iron messed up. So again, 115 bolts. Can't get a good focus on there. Okay, there you go. And it is running, if you can't hear it. So yeah, it is working. And there are many ways to short this if you're not careful. So if you have wires sticking out like that, like I do, so probably put some electrical tape around it, and then, you know, whatever, but just keep it precautionary. So let's go ahead and put a fan on here. I don't know if I have any, I think I can get some test leads. I can probably get it later, but for right now I could just hook this around here. This is 12 volts, which will bring out a lot more power in my fan. And then go ahead and hook up the ground, because I'm not going to hook the fan up to 5 volts because it's really low powered on 5 volts, because it needs 12 volts to go on full power. So obviously that. Okay, and put that around there, and it is running. Oh, it's on 5 volts, my bad. Why is it on there? It should be on ground. There we go. Okay, now it is good. I don't know why I hit on 5 volts. That takes 0.15 amps. So there we go. That's all I gotta do. And this is really cheap. You can get a power supply from Logisys for, you know, 12 bucks on, you know, Amazon. I don't know if Amazon, probably eBay. It's like $12-15 for this. So this is really cheap. And get that off there later. Whatever. Okay, but yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Later.